Williams staying in front of a player that's basically 2 decades his junior. Quicker, smaller, shiftier.
Yeah, you're right.
Welcome to Tonix TV, your go-to destination for electrifying sports action, unforgettable moments, and all the excitement you crave. Hit that like button, share, and subscribe to stay on top of the latest sports updates.
TBA Commissioner's Cup Season 49, the final best-of-7 series, Game 4 updates. Panalo ang Top N Text laban Barangay Ginebra sa nagaganap na PBA Finals Game 3 nilang laro, at sobrang dikit pa rin ang laban mga ka-sports. Sa bandang huli Top N Text pa rin ang nanalo sa laban, sa score na 87-85, may 2-win standings na ang Top N Text at may 1 standing ang Barangay Ginebra. Maitabla kaya ng Barangay Ginebra ang standing S mga ka-sports. Mananalo kaya ang Barangay Ginebra sa Game 4? O Top N Text tropang Giga pa rin ang mananalo sa Game 4? Sino sa palagay niyo mga ka-sports ang mananalo sa Game 4? Ang Barangay Ginebra ba o ang Top N Text tropang Giga kaya? E-comment nyo naman mga ka-sports. Ang Game 4 ay magaganap sa March 21, 2025, Friday, at 7:30 PM, at gaganapin ito sa Inaray Center, Antipolo mga ka-sports. Abangan natin yan ang kanilang laro sa Game 4 kung sino ang mananalo. At ito pala ang konting recap at highlights sa nakaraan nilang laro mga ka-sports. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching.
Leaves it for Kim Oren for 3. That's gone! The run. Scotty uses the bomb and hits the layup. Ball game off the spin ng Bata. Short fadeaway is pure. Hold. Perfect pass. The short corner jumper hits tight to the backboard, recovers, and gets attacks the defense of Kelly and finishes strong with the late roll. For the injured Jason Castro, elbow jumper is golden ball. Alonso with space, getting a friendly match in your final quarter. Abariento, goes to the snapback, the three is pushing, amazing for three! Bucket it up, open from the corner, that is big time for him. And they are forced to a miss. Abariento saves the day. Alonso working on Kim Oren. Draws the big line denial. Makes his move. The drop pass. Rosario reading. Nambata from the corner. And goal! Sends it forward. And double